Welcome to TradeTheMBI.com. This is John's report is for the 12th, and we're getting back and forth the same things. Literally, we go up and back down, and pretty much staying even. So we've pretty much retraced now everything that happened the other day. Pretty clear. We're starting to see the DOC spread though here with the cyan now moving back above red, as we've had a reset of the steel here from a daily standpoint. We've been talking about this. We've been making lower and lower shakeout readings. Is it getting into a danger spot? Not really, in the sense that, yes, if we move to negative, then I think we can see a bit more of a downdraft. We do have some positive extremes going all the way back over here that need filling back in. All these ranges right back in here from the original breakout move. And we had the big press conference the other day. Nothing significant happened as far as describing stimulus packages, things like that, which I think is what the market really is looking for, direction as to what kind of money they can expect. And that's really what it comes down to. Now you can see that the Dow has been in this part of a short signal for a little bit while as we've been cascading lower here, but it's going to reset completely. We need to see a little bit further drop, though, in the red of the DOC, and that to really get underneath the zero and move more towards an oversold. We're not there yet, but you can imagine if you get an oversold while you are still at peak levels, and poised for a significant move. Euro continuing to be pressed and put right back into that range that we've been looking for. Pretty big significant move here from the 103 range to back in the 106 mid-range. It also puts it in a bit more of a safety spot as far as easing things, and that actually should help the market. Treasuries continue to float right around in the same spot, so really looking at a consistent, I'd say even keel. Oil right in that same range. I mean, we had the little what looked precarious, but again, beautiful pivot from the EBM value right above that 1126. Moving on back from there, comes right back up over it. Filled in most of it's going to hit some resistance right there at the 1162 range. And gold. Continuing, gold has the potential for a significant run. We can see that we've had steady improvement. We're in positive shakeout. So this has been fairly decent. It hasn't been a massive breakout like you might expect, but the potential is there. And here's what we're looking at from the ES from an intraday standpoint. We shot up here. Super negative move with the orange shooting all the way up. Usually leads to a bit of a downdraft, but we're very deep into an oversold category. It looks like it's going to stay down this range for a little bit longer. Completely oversold from a midterm. And you can see, though, we had positive extreme right back here. So the lower end of the downdraft is all the way down to that 2259 range. So not too surprising. I think it's fairly decent as far as our expectation of maintaining sort of a neutral flat range. We've been in this just up and down, back and forth, so it's been pretty consistent. No objection to any of that, and we'll continue to follow it, update charts as we need to. As always, though, trade well. We'll talk to you later.